How's it going, everyone? I've got this heavy duty carbide hole saw. It comes with two pilot drill bits. It's a hole cutter that cuts stainless steel, mild steel, iron, copper, brass, and plastic. And as you'll see, it cuts nicely through wood as well. It's different than regular drill bits. It's a stepped guide drill bit. It's got 10 tungsten steel teeth for faster cutting. If you know anything about tungsten, it's a very hard metal. And the tungsten steel blades ensure superior wear resistance, making the hole saw suitable for heavy-duty use. Whether tackling demanding construction products, everyday tasks, you can trust the durability of this thing. What I'm doing here is just installing the pilot drill bit into the hole saw itself. You can see there's a flat right there on the drill bit, and that needs to align with the Allen screw, the set screw that's in there. And they give you an Allen wrench with it to tighten and loosen it. They give you two of them. And they're really easy to install. Just loosen and crank down that Allen head. There's a close look at it, the brand name on there and the size as well. It also comes in a number of sizes, and I'll give you a screenshot here coming up on the different sizes available from this company, from this manufacturer. And I'm just using it here with my cordless drill. And I'm going to go ahead and drill some holes in this burn barrel I have. It needs to get more ventilation. And the holes that I drilled in there before were too small, so this is perfect for this job here. And the first one I do is just go through, and I'm using an existing hole. So I stick that pilot bit right in the existing hole, but yeah, watch that thing just rip through that metal. It's throwing chunks. It's great. I haven't had a better hole saw yet. I've owned a few of them, and these carbide, these tungsten teeth on there just really make a difference and rip through that metal really nice. You're going to be able to use this as well with all your cordless drills. There we go. We got one hole drilled, and I'm going to put a couple more in here too. This drill bit here is 1 3/4 inches in diameter. You can get them all the way up to like 3 5/8, and I think you can get them even bigger too. Same style. And yeah, they come in all kinds of a range of different sizes. Like I said, I'll be putting a screenshot up so you can see some of the different variations in size that are available. But this one, like I said, is just 1 3/4 inches, which is perfect for my use. I've used this. I'll be using this for all kinds of different stuff. But what a great product! I'm really happy with this thing so far. And it held up, cutting all the metal, cutting the wood. Those tungsten teeth on there look brand new. Looks like it did just out of the box. So look at the nice hole it cut on there, nice and precise. And here we go again. Go ahead and use an existing hole, just kind of widening the ones that are there. As you can see, those teeth look brand new. Looks really good after cutting a bunch of holes in that metal too. And the drill bit looks great still as well. So here it is. I clamped a piece of wood to my bench here. Just kind of wanted to see how it would handle wood, how fast it went through wood. It just ripped right through it. Yeah, you can see what I mean. It just really handled that wood well. Now you'll notice too that existing piece, the cutout piece, didn't get stuck in the hole saw like it does with many other types. It's because that bit on there, that pilot bit, has a spring, and it kind of kicks the piece out that you cut. So that's really nice. A lot of times with other hole saws, you got to fish that out with a screwdriver or something to pry it with. And in this one, with this bit, that is not the case. So here's another use for it, is these bird blocks, these vents. You can see that side on the left there doesn't have any. This side does. So a lot of times roofers will recommend that you get more holes up there for more ventilation, and this is a perfect tool for that. So you can measure them out and drill new vent holes. But comes in a nice case too, so you can store it in a plastic case. Pull your pilot bits out of there when you use them, and then it has a spot to store them. So you can store them together, which makes it really nice when you go to use this thing, and keep the Allen wrench in there as well. But overall, great product. Really happy with this thing. Here's, like I said, here's the range of sizes that it comes in that's available from this manufacturer. Thanks for watching, everybody.